Welcome, dear children, in today's class. I hope you have all solved the test nicely, honestly. So, today in this class, we will be discussing about the test that you have solved yesterday. Check your answers, spellings. First one, fill in the blanks. First, fill in the blanks. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. What is the answer? Medieval. Yes. Check the spelling. Medieval. Medieval. Second, Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. Where did Shivaji Maharaj establish Swaraj? Yes, in Maharashtra. Check spelling. M-A-M should be capital. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Next, Sant Namdev was a great devotee of dash. Answer is Vittal. V again capital. Vitthal. Vittal. Fourth, at a very early age, at dash near Pune, Dhyaneshwar took Samadhi. Where did Dhyaneshwar Maharaj took Samadhi? Yes, at Alandi. A will be capital. Alandi. Alandi. Fifth one, Sant Tukaram drowned in the river dash all the record of loan papers he had. What was the name of the river? Indrayani. I will be capital. Indrayani. Indrayani. Now we will move to next question. Name the following. Check the spellings. First one, Emperor of Vijayanagar. Who was the Emperor of Vijayanagar? Krishna Dev Raya. K will be capital. Krishnadevraya. Krishna Dev Raya. Next, Sultan of Bijapur. Who was the Sultan of Bijapur? Adil Shah. A will be capital. Adilshah. Adil Shah. Next, Sultan of Ahmednagar. Nizam Shah. The answer is Nizam Shah. N will be capital. Nizamshah. Nizam Shah. Next, kings who look after the welfare of their subjects. Who were the kings? Yes, Krishna Dev Raya and Akbar. Krishna Dev Raya, again check the spelling. K will be capital. Krishnadevraya. Krishna Dev Raya and Akbar. A will be capital. Akbar. Akbar. Next, saints lived in Shivaji Maharaj time. Who were the saints? Sant Tukaram and Samartha Ramdas. Spelling of Tukaram. T will be capital, children. Tukaram. Tukaram. Samartha Ramdas. S will be capital. Samarth. Samartha. Ramdas. R will be capital. Ramdas. Okay, then shall we move forward? Yes. Then answer in one sentence. Check whether you have written the answers correctly or not. 1. Question number 1. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Answer is S will be capital. Shivaji Maharaj. M will also be capital. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj. Check the spelling of Swaraj. Swaraj, and S will be capital. Swaraj in Maharashtra. Maharashtra, M will be capital. Full stop. Then second question. Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Then answer is Shivaji Maharaj. S will be capital in Shivaji and M will also be capital in Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers of Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. Check the spelling of Deshmukh. D will be capital. Deshmukhs. Deshmukhs. And Deshpandes. D will be capital. Despandes. Deshpandes. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers of Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who oppressed the people. Full stop. Then next question. What discrimination did Sri Chakradhar Swami not believe? And the answer is Sri Chakradhar Swami. S will be capital in Sri. Chakradhar Swami. C will also be capital in Chakradhar, and in Swami S will be capital. Sri Chakradhar Swami did not believe in any discrimination. Check the spelling of discrimination. Discrimination. Discrimination based on gender or caste. Check the spelling of gender. 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 Caste. 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 Okay, children? Have you checked? Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Complete the names of saints. Here you have to write the correct alphabet, the missing alphabet in between the name of saints. Have you able to recognize what was the first name? Yes, the first name was Namdev. N-A. A was missing. You have to write A in the first fill-up. N-A-M-D. E. E was missing. In the second fill-up, you have to write E. Then O. The spelling of Namdev is N-A-M-D-E-O. Namdev. In the same manner, second one, the name of the saint was Chakradhar Swami. C. H was missing. You have to write in the fill-up H. Then A was given. K. K was missing. You have to write K in the fill-up. R-A. D was missing. You have to write D. H. A was missing. You have to write A. R-S. W was missing. You have to write W. A-M-I. And again I was missing. Check the spelling once again. See the spelling properly whether you have written. Yes. Then next. The name of the saint was? Yes, Dhyaneshwar. D. The first alphabet was missing. What will be the first alphabet? Yes, D will be the first alphabet. Then NY was given. A was missing. N. E was missing. You have to write E. SH was given. W you have to write. W was missing. AR. Dhyaneshwar. Children, check the spelling properly. Then next. Fourth one is Eknath. The name of the saint was Eknath. E. K. You can see the alphabets which has been written in red color here was missing. Isn't it? They are the fill-ups. Check the spelling of Eknath. E. E was given. K. K has been written in red color, so K was missing. You have to write K. N. N was given. A. A was missing. You have to write A. TH. The name of the Saint Eknath was Eknath. In the same manner, see the next one. The name of the saint was Tukaram. T was given. U was missing. K-A were given. R. You have to write R. A was given. M was missing. You have to write M. Tukaram. 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 And the last one is Samartha Ramdas. S was given. A was missing. You have to write A. M. Then next M. A was given. R was missing. You have to write R in the second fill up. Then TH given. Again R was missing. You have to write R. A was given. M. You have to write M. M was missing. Then DA given and S was missing. So you have to write S in the last fill up and the spelling will be Samartha Ramdas. Children, I hope you have solved the questions, all the questions nicely, and practice it once. Mistakes, if any mistakes has been done by you, check it thoroughly from the starting and prepare nicely for the next exam.